Hi, this is Regitze from Greatest Marketing Agency. Today I want to show you how you can build an email list with highly targeted leads using Facebook ads, and very cheaply too. So email marketing is still the best and the cheapest type of marketing with the highest ROI. Many people think that the email marketing is dead, but the statistics show that it's just the opposite. Email marketing still works really well if it's done correctly, of course. But to get a lot of people in your email list, that can take a lot of time, unless you do it with paid ads. So I'm going to show you a way where you can get highly targeted leads for your email list, and very cheaply too, for less than $1 usually. It depends a little bit on your industry. $1 per lead, and like I said, highly targeted. So here I'm in my Facebook Ads Manager. I made a test campaign. I'll just show you really fast. So you make a campaign, and it's a leads campaign, and you go next. I'm not going to show you the other settings. I have other videos on that, or you can comment below and I can make some videos around it if you have any questions. And then I'm here in the ad set, and we are using the instant forms, which is the cheapest way to get leads on Facebook and Instagram, because you're asking for people's information on the app itself. It's a form that pops up where people can fill in their information. It's often pre-filled by Facebook, because Facebook has a lot of data points on you. They usually have your name and email address and other things also maybe. So it's very easy for people to fill out. And it's a lot cheaper. It's the cheapest way to get leads, because you're not taking people off the platform. Whenever we're taking them off the platform to a website, for instance, Facebook and Instagram is penalizing us for it, and because they want to keep people on their platform, so it costs more to take people off the platform. But I'm going to show you, we're actually going to take them off the platform at the end anyway, but we're still getting the leads very cheaply. So I'm just going to continue. I'm not going to fill out all the targeting, but the reason that you can get highly targeted leads is because of Facebook's powerful targeting. So here you can target the area you want people to come from, gender, age group, interest groups, and all that. But I'm just going to go to the ad level. That's where I can show you how to set up the form. So I just chose an example picture here. You can also do a video ad or a slideshow ad, any kind of ad. And yeah, here I didn't fill out the headline and description and all that. But I made a test form here, an instant form already. Let me see if I can get this out of the way. So first of all, when you're building a lead form, make sure you go to the settings here, because here Facebook has, this is about sharing, and the default setting is where it's restricted. I will already change this. But it's restricted so that only people who are delivered your ad, they can share, they can fill out the information. But if they share it with their friends, then the friends can fill out the information, fill out the form. And of course we want as many people as possible to fill it out. Maybe people know someone who would be interested in your offer, but then they can't fill out the form. So it's very sneaky of Facebook to do that. So make sure you change it to open here. We go back to the content. I would go with the more volume. We want as many leads as possible, and then we also get them as cheaply as possible. When you choose higher intent, it only adds an extra step where people have to confirm that they want to send the information to you. And it gives you a little bit fewer leads for a little bit higher cost. And then we go to the intro. This is here the picture. This will be the picture from the ad itself. It doesn't show, but it is that picture there. Then you can choose a headline, and it's always good to guide people on what to do next, because not everybody knows the instant forms. So I would write, please click next and fill out the form. Here it has the button next. You can also add more details here. Or you can remove the greeting. Then we go to the questions here. So what information do you need from people? When it's for an email list, I would only ask for name and email address. Because the more information you're asking for, the less people are going to actually fill it out, and the more expensive your leads are going to be. So ask for as little as possible. If, for instance, you need more information later in the process, then wait until later. Ask for as little as possible in the beginning. And this is probably the first time people have contact with your business. So make it easy for them. You can ask for a lot of things here. You can ask for phone number, address, user information, full name, first name, last name, demographic, date of birth, gender, marital status, relationship status, military status, a lot of private things, work information, job title, work phone number, work email, company name, and even national ID number. But like I said, I would only ask for as little as possible here. So then we go to the next slide. These are the forms that people see, and it's 4 slides, and people click next. This is a button here on the slide, and we just fill it out here in the ad form. And you have to have a privacy policy, and it has to be a URL, so it has to be on your website. If you don't have a website, you can have just a one-page website made with just the privacy policy. It's very easy to make a privacy policy. There are free forms. If you Google it, you can find free forms that you can download, and you can fill it out with your information. So do that if you don't have a privacy policy already. You can add a link text, but it's already filled out here by Facebook actually. And then we go to the last step of the form, and this is where it gets interesting. Again, I guide them. I write here in the headline, thanks for signing up for our lead magnet name, whatever it's called. And then you guide them, click the button below, go to our website, fill out your name and email address again. If you have it set up so that people get the lead magnet, can be a guide, a template, a video training, or something like that. If you have it set up so that you have a landing page on your website where people can fill out the information, and then the lead magnet is sent to them automatically, that's what I would recommend. That's the easiest for everybody. Then you have to ask for the email address again on your website. But it's really no problem. I do that and still get very, very cheap leads. So even though people have to fill out the information twice, and you're taking them off Facebook, but this is after when the form is almost finished. So we're still getting it for the cheap price from Facebook. So I guide them, fill out your name and email address on the website, and your lead magnet will be sent to the email address provided. This is very important because people may fill out a wrong email address or so, but when they know that they only get the lead magnet if they fill out the right email address, then that helps a lot. And then of course the call to action button, I would choose download. You can choose many different ones here. And you can actually write here what it should say on the button. So I write download on website. You can write whatever you want. And then the link, this should be the link to your opt-in page, not your front page. So the opt-in page where people can fill out the information again to get the lead magnet. And then you just click publish. I'm not going to click publish, but that's basically it. yeah, that was basically it. If you have any questions, comment below. And if you want us to do all this for you, then we specialize in getting leads and clients for coaches and consultants with Facebook and Instagram advertising. You can book a call with me or my team. There's a link in the description. Also, please join our free Facebook group, Facebook advertising for coaches, consultants, entrepreneurs. Link in the description, where you can also ask questions for if you're running your own Facebook and Instagram ads. And don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe, share it with your friends, and click that little notification bell if you're on YouTube. That way you get notified every time we upload a new video. Take care. Bye.